Hello, welcome to my apartment. Here I'm basically working on the VR setup of our Brassa Makerslab architectural design that we're working on with TU Delft. Let's get to it. So basically here I can take you into the virtual world, and I got like a bunch of VR setup and things in here that allow me to kind of teleport myself. And here you can see that it will kind of take me to an elevated height. For some reason there is somewhat of a collision or something in here that doesn't allow me to actually like be on ground level, but we're gonna have to manage with just the setup that we have here. But you can already kind of get a very good feel of like the shapes, the sizes, the dimensionality of everything. Also what we'll be looking on to when it comes to the neighborhood. And then here we can also see within the whole hard flow project that we also have the biodiversity lab over there. We have the makers lab basically going around in the L shape, and over here we would have the kitchen area. So we can also enter one of those buildings, and okay, now I'm on top. Let's see, I can kind of like duck down and position myself in there. Yeah, like so. And then you also have a great view of the construction and everything, like how everything will be put together. So that is also what these designs kind of allow you to do if you have like the level of detail in there that you need in order to actually check those systems out. And also with the design quest that we're actually like working towards, we're currently experimenting a little bit with this whole water flow system, because it will irrigate water from the roofs, will be collected to this tank right here, and then it will kind of flow down over all of these little bridges and everything. But if you can see it in this layup, it will become kind of a barrier. You won't really be easily accessing like a lot of different spaces throughout it and everything, so you can kind of see that you probably still need to work on that. Now that we've seen a little bit of the construction and everything, let's also go to the biodiversity lab. So you can also see how much light is then coming through if you actually have like this glass roof that we have in here. So we also like authentically replicate like lighting scenarios and stuff like that, and where we can also play a little bit with that and put the sun also in different positions to see. But that is basically it for this first initial roundabout that I wanted to give when it just comes to pure like VR stuff and looking around these buildings. Let's see if we can actually also get out of here.